All right, so last week I got a payout, which I already shared, but this week I was one day away from another one, and somehow I end up blowing the account. And the worst part is it's completely 100% avoidable, but I was just being retarded. So in this video, I'm just going to share what happened and why it happens to almost every prop trader at some point in your journey. So yeah, let's take it back to last week. I think last week's payout had a big role in this whole fuck up. You know, that feeling, that confidence you get after a payout. It's nice, but it's honestly one of the most dangerous things that can happen to a prop firm trader because I walked into this week feeling like I couldn't lose, like I'd figured something out, almost like the market owed me another payout. And when you think like that, bad things are most likely going to happen. So on the day, so as you know, Lucid Flex accounts require a minimum of 5 winning days before you can request a payout. So I was on four. I had 4 winning days, and I was already past the profit threshold. So I just needed one more clean day, and I had another $1,000 payout secured in the bag. So I came into that fifth day hoping for a win, but unfortunately, spoiler alert, I had a loss. Just a normal loss, like as a part of the process, it happens. You win some, you lose some. But the mistake is instead of just leaving that account and, coming back tomorrow, which would have been the obvious correct play in hindsight, I kept going because in my head, I thought I deserved that payout. I'd earned it and I was so close, I could feel it. So I took another trade, which was not a plus because I was hoping to win it back so I could secure that payout. But I lost, of course, which then led to me taking another shitty setup, which of course I lost again. And I just kept telling myself, one more, one more. And I just wanted to get back to where I was at the start of the day. And I just wanted to get a win and then be done for the day. But it just it just wasn't happening. So I actually found a funny clip on Twitter, which I want to share, which I think perfectly encapsulates my actions that day. So let's watch this together. Your unprofitable self versus your profitable self. Yeah, okay. So after taking a loss, see, I should have been like the top guy, just go eat, go to the gym, get on with life, forget about the loss. But instead, I was like the bottom guy, staying at my desk, trying to win it back. You keep going, you lose more, and then bang, account breached. And you just finish the day like, what the fuck just happened? Whereas you could have been the top guy who just came back the next day, got the win, secured the payout, happy days. But yeah, that's literally how my day looked that day this week. So why did this happen? So there's a concept I've been applying to my life and my trading from a book called Reality Transurfing. Really good book if you haven't heard of it. And the idea is this concept called excess importance. And in basic terms, it's the principle is the more importance you give something, like an outcome, the more distance you actually create between you and that desirable thing. It's like when you put something up on a pedestal, you are agreeing to the fact that it is separate from where you are and it is not within reach. And so when something matters too much to you, that is when your decision making deteriorates and you stop acting from a place of clarity and peace. And you start acting from desperation, focusing on the outcome. And that's what happened to me. I walked into this week thinking like I really needed that payout. So I had massive excess importance, as the book calls it, on this particular payout. Fresh off last week's win, I felt like I deserved it. And yeah, that's a dangerous feeling. That is what destroys accounts because the market does not care about your confidence. It does not care about your 4 winning day streak. It doesn't give a fuck. So Yeah, there are a few main lessons I've learned from this. Number one, like I said, the market does not give a fuck how close you are to a payout. You just need to trade every single day like it's day one, regardless of what is happening in your accounts. Second lesson is excess importance will absolutely destroy your ability to execute. The more you need a trade to work out, the worse your decision making will get. When you're constantly thinking about the profits, the payouts, the numbers, you're just going to fuck up the trade. You're going to take shitty setups, you're going to revenge trade, you're going to move your stop loss, you're going to move your take profit, and you just jeopardize yourself. This is exactly what they call self sabotage. On the other side, the traders who get the most consistent payouts are the ones that legitimately do not give a single crap about each trade. They trust their process so much that a bad trade or even a bad day or a bad week doesn't even move them. They just keep going because they know over a large sample size, everything will work out. And the last lesson is that a single losing day is recoverable. A single losing day is nothing in the big picture. Yet, blowing a funded account is a big deal. So, in hindsight, obviously, I should have just taken that loss, accepted it for what it is, and then come back tomorrow, and maybe I would have won the next day, instead of trying to win it all back and being unable to accept a losing day. So I guess the core message is, as always, process over profits. The payout itself, although it is nice, it is not the end goal. The payout is simply, it's a byproduct of what happens when you execute your process correctly over a large sample space. And the moment you make the payout a goal, the moment you put it on a pedestal and you give it too much importance, rather than focusing on the process and just executing your A plus setups, that is when shit starts to spiral and you start to lose. So, yeah, paradoxically, the traders who get the most payouts are the ones who care the least about payouts. So, a bit of reverse psychology for you there. But yeah, that's the quick short story of me blowing an account one day away from another payout. It sucks, yeah, but it is what it is. It's fine. It's a small lesson in the grand scheme of things, and it's just a matter of time before we run it back up. So, nice little lesson. You know, what would life be? What would a journey be without small challenges and lessons? But yeah, hope that resonated. Hope you learned something, and hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will see you later.